So my husband just got back from a fishing trip, a successful fishing trip, walleye fishing, and he was telling me that we're gonna make walleye wings, and I said, what are walleye wings? Let me show you. Okay, so I took some out so you could fully appreciate what I'm talking about here. So he has them marinating in this brine, this saltwater brine. And then we will freeze a lot of these, but for the ones we're gonna eat, and I'm gonna show you in this recipe, I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna marinate them. He suggested for 12 hours. I don't know if we'll do that long, but in a hot sauce, and then we're gonna fry them up. And I'll show you how we're gonna do that. But look at these. You'd have to be careful of the bones, but something I have never seen before. And it's a great way to get more of that meat off of these fish that he caught. That is just awesome. I need to do a video how he trimmed these out. I wish I would have been there. Awesome, walleye wings. Okay, the walleye wings have been marinating for about 6 hours in some wing sauce. Over here, I have a Dutch oven. I have it on high. I don't have one of those thermometers. I wish I did right now. I imagine you want the oil at about 350 degrees. I've fried a lot in here, so I'm gonna kind of wing it. No pun intended. I'm gonna guess at the oil temp. And that is vegetable oil. It's all I had. And this is gonna splatter like nobody's business. Okay, wow, that was intense, putting that fish in there, because I knew since it was wet and putting it in a deep fryer, it was gonna be interesting. So be very, very careful. I'm gonna let them fry in here for about 5 minutes. I did move them around a little bit. Let me take a look here. Oh, look at the skin. Oh my God, these look amazing. Get this little one out first. Oh my gosh, look at these walleye wings. I can't stop saying that. It doesn't take much to excite me, okay? What can I say? I'm holding the camera and trying to do this. I don't know if that's a wise idea, but look at me go. Okay, 2 down. I have 2 more in here. I'm gonna try and grab them together. Oh boy, let me try this. I'm gonna be very careful with hot oil. Okay, I'm going to cover those up for a minute. Woo. Wow, that is intense. Here we are. Walleye wing taste test. I am so excited. Look at those. Look. I don't know if you can see them. All fried up. Now I marinated them in wing sauce for about 6 hours, as I said earlier, and then fried them in deep fried them. Only way to do this, I think, in about a 350, oh my Lanta, 350 degree oil for 5 minutes or so. And Texas Pete's is my favorite hot sauce to put on fried fish, thanks to my friend Jim. Have to be careful of bones with the old walleye wings. Excuse me. Be careful of the bones. But this is rather delicious. Totally try this. I'm gonna put the step-by-step guide down in the description. But what a fun presentation for a football party or something. Hey everyone, we're gonna have wings. Oh, they're walleye wings. Look at the little fins. I'm sorry, but they're just adorable. Walleye wings. Give it a try.